YouTube channel. In the previous video, I hope you watched what are the differences between intrinsic semiconductors and extrinsic semiconductors and the derivation for electrical conductivity. Today I am going to explain drift current. Drift current, what is meant by drift current and what are the equations regarding drift process. So here drift current means in the presence of electric field, the charge carriers are moving from the regular direction. The resultant current is called drift current. So that the current density J equals to NEV. So here V is replacing with V suffix D, means drift velocity. Since the corresponding velocity is nothing but drift velocity. Mobility mu equals to drift velocity per unit electric field. Mu equals to Vd by E. Therefore, current density J equals to Ne mu capital E. The current density due to electrons, J of electrons equals to Ne mu n capital E. The current density due to poles, J of poles equals to Pe mu P capital E. Therefore, the total current density means J of drift equals to Jm of electrons plus Jp of poles. That's equals to Ne mu n capital E plus Pe mu P into capital E. So this is the formula for drift current. J of drift equals to Ne mu n into capital E plus Pe mu P into capital E. Next, coming to diffusion. Diffusion process or diffusion current. So here diffusion means the excess charge carriers are moving from higher concentration region to lower concentration region, so that the transport mechanism regarding excess charge carriers, which is called diffusion process. So here the rate of diffusion is directly proportional to dou by dou x of delta n. So that's equals to minus E into dou by dou x of delta n. So here E dn. So here dn means diffusion coefficient of electrons. Diffusion coefficient of electrons. Similarly, the rate of diffusion due to holes, which is equals to E into dp dou by dou x of delta p. dp into dou by dou x of delta p. So therefore, the total diffusion of electrons equals to drift current Ne mu n capital E minus E into capital Dn into dou by dou x of delta n. So similarly, the total diffusion coefficient due to holes. Total diffusion coefficient due to holes. That's equals to P mu P capital E plus E into dP into dou by dou x of delta n. So this is called diffusion process. So thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.